Namaskaram. In today's class, we are going to discuss some sample questions issued by CBSE. All the questions are objective type questions. We will discuss one by one. First question. Rohit, a student of class 12th, is learning CSV file module in Python. During examination, he has been assigned an incomplete Python code shown below to create a CSV file student.csv. Content shown below here. Help him in completing the code which creates the desired CSV file. The content of the CSV file is given here. Code is also given. See the code. Something is missing in these statements. We have to fill the blanks as per the questions. First part. Identify the suitable code for blank space in line marked as statement 1. Options are also given. CSV file, capital letter CSV, then small letter CSV, then again CSV, C is capital. Which is the answer? Statement 1 is import CSV. CSV is in lowercase. Okay. The name of the module is CSV in lowercase. It is simple. Then go for the next question. Identify the missing code for blank space in line marked as statement 2. What is missing in this statement 2? fh equal to open, then 2 blank spaces. What are the arguments of open function? First one, name of the file, then the file mode. What is the file name? Student.csv. Then this file is for writing. So you have to open the file in write mode or in append mode. We will see the options. School.csv, W, student.csv, W, student.csv, R, school.csv, R. This is also very simple. Answer is student.csv, W. Name of the file is student.csv and the file mode is W. Okay. Then see the next question. Choose the function name with argument that should be used in the blank space of line marked as statement 3. See what is there in statement 3? STUWriter equal to CSV dot. Before writing the data, we need to create the writer object. Right? So what do we have to give here? CSV dot function writer. Then the argument will be the file handle, that is fh. Okay, we will see the options. Reader fh, reader my file, writer fh, writer my file. What is the answer? It is writer fh. Writer is the function which is used to create writer object. And the argument is file handle. Here the file handle is fh. So the answer is writer fh. Okay. Then go for the next question. Identify the suitable code for blank space in line marked as statement 4. See statement 4. Rec equal to a blank space. We will see what is given here in this program. Okay. Data, an empty list. Then header, that is roll number, name, class and section. That is appended to this list data. Then accepted the values for roll number, name, class and section. Okay. Then here data dot append rec is given. Then what will be missing here? Creating the record using these details, that is roll no, name, class and section. So what will be the answer? We will see the options. Roll no, name, class, section given in capital letters and also quotes used. Then next one, roll no, name, class, section again in capital letters. Then roll no, name, class, section in lowercase. Same case as our identifier. But see here codes given. Okay. We are going to create a list using the values of that variables or identifiers. Isn't it? So No need of giving codes. See the next option. Roll and no, name, class, section without codes. So what is the answer? D. Option D. Okay. This code.connect may be some mistake. We'll leave it. Then go for the next question. Choose the function name that should be used in the blank space of line marked as statement 5 to create the desired CSV file. Options are given: dump, load, write rows, write row. Okay. We will see the program. Statement 5. stu writer dot dash of data. Here you are going to write into a CSV file. Which function you have to use? Write row or write rows? Listen carefully. What is the argument given here? It is data. What is there in data? First, this list is appended. That is the heading. So data contains first this list header. Then here we created a record using these values, and that also appended to this list data as the next element. Okay. So the first record, then in the next iteration, second record, and so on. That means data is a list of records or list of rows implemented using nested list. Data is a list and the elements are also in the form of a list. Clear? Header is a list and this rec is also a list. So this list data contains more than one rows. So which function we have to use for writing data into the file? Write rows, not write row. If it is a single list or a single row, we will use write row. Here it is more than one rows, so we will use write rows. Clear? Okay. We will see the options. Once again, dump and load for binary files. Here write rows and write row are given. Correct answer is write rows. Okay. So there are 5 questions for the first part. Next we will go for the second question.